Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are finally going to decorate the inside of the fairy house and give it some wallpaper and some flooring. It's been drying for about a week because I've been doing other projects, but now we're finally going to get to it. I think the best thing is probably to start with the floors and figure out what I'm doing with those. It's really difficult to try and film this just because of the sheer size. I normally do much smaller projects. So bear with me, the camera angle is going to change a few million times. For the first floor, we're going for like a grey concrete. So I think I'm going to give it a white base first, just so the clay doesn't soak in too much paint. I don't need to be neat. And I can also fill in some little cracks while I'm at it on the back wall. And for the grey, I'm wanting it kind of patchy, so I'm going to mix up a couple of different colours of grey, as well as I've got the metallic grey, so quite a light grey and then kind of a dark grey. We're going to do our concrete floor just by patching them in all over before we blend. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. Now for this centre one, I want to kind of make it a little bit posher. So our house is going to be very woodlandy, very rustic. So I was thinking maybe like a rust colour maybe. Well, the bricks, make them like as if they're actual brick colour. So on this side, maybe a really dark, just a pure basic dark brown, because this is going to be like this sitting area side. Now, maybe actually just doing what I've done with the grey and making it like all different browns, then cover over with a dark brown. Okay, I think that is dry, so now on with the second coat in places where it needs it. I need to dry them completely because I'm going to be doing grouting with these with acrylic paint, but I need them dry and I need them sealed. Okay, before I do the grouting, I'm going to seal this, whoops, with some Creative Deco varnish gloss. Just the once, just to protect the brightness of the colour, because I don't want the grouting step to muddy up the colours. Because the acrylic paint I used, some of it is matte, and it will not clean up as nice as it would if I was using gloss acrylic paint. So I'm just going to give everything just a little seal. Now if I wasn't using a mix of matte emulsion and normal, not emulsion, acrylic paints, I probably wouldn't even do this step. Okay, now I need to dry it all thoroughly again. Okay, I left these to dry for a couple of hours because I really did not want to deal with wet varnish. So now I'm going to do the grouting. I think in this set I'm probably going to go for a really dark brown, and in here I'm not actually sure, maybe a light grey, like the metallic colour maybe. I'm actually not sure. So to do that, I'm going to mix up some very light watery versions. So we're going to start with this one. I'm going to have baby wipes at the ready. So the idea is literally just to fill in like it's grout all the little crevices, and even make it a little bit thick. I feel like I'm ruining this, but I have faith in the process. Get it into all those little details, and this is why I varnished, so that I didn't have to worry about the mess I'm making. Then I'm going to wipe it off again, so only the grout remains. In my little DIY house. Oops, I'm gonna have to get it out of there. Oh dear, do not want all my pink. I have to fix my grey a little bit. Because it is quite thick. I'm just going to touch up this bit. Got a little brown on it. Up here. Can always just wipe it back off. Now with the grey I've got left, I think I'm actually going to paint the fireplace this grey, so it's cohesive. It's very difficult to paint these little things, so I've got it at a different angle again. I'm going to try and paint them. So although this video was basically just painting floors, I think if I break this into smaller projects and make them really quick videos to watch, that is the best way to do this. I'm going to leave this to dry now. I'm going to leave the fireplace as is just now, because I think I'm actually going to make little paper clay boulders and some sticks on this to make it wood. So maybe the next video I do will be working on the fireplace and the mantle, and we'll see where we go from there. I'm just going to keep breaking this up and doing it a little bit at a time. I also wanted to show you that my girl really does bend now that she is completely dry, and she's really cute. The only thing is that I gave her such a puffy skirt that when she sits down she can't actually sit on this skirt. So that's going to be interesting when I make some furniture, to see if she can actually sit on it. She might have to spend her life lying down on the bed. I could have her in the kitchen cooking away, So there we go. We've done the floors. Next time we'll work on something else. I'm thinking probably the fireplace, but maybe not. Maybe we'll work in the kitchen or the sitting area. We shall see. And I will see you in the next video. If you want to watch along with this ongoing project, then don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. And I am adding all of these into a playlist. I think it's called Which Fairy House Project. So don't forget to follow the playlist or add it to your favourites, and you should be able to check back anytime there's an update on this little house. So bye for now, see you in the next video.